Do you want to improve your English fluency? Well, here are three tips which might help you. Tip number one is to think with yourself in English. Let's be honest, we all argue with ourselves about those lost fights years ago. Well, do it in English now. This will make you look like a loon, but at least it will make you wonder what are the English terms for various weird Bangla words like shotin can be. Comment down below what you think the English term for shotin might be. Tip number two is multitasking. It's 2023 and we are all busy. So multitasking is a must. Suppose you're watching a tutorial on YouTube. Watch that in English. This will help you understand how the native speakers explain something, and at the meantime, you will learn how to do that said task. Tip number three, and most importantly, is confidence. I have seen so many people with great vocabulary and nice arrangement of words ruin everything due to lack of confidence. Now, here's the catch, how you're gonna improve your confidence. Well, follow Ishku's page for more updates.